In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Heritage Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in heritage.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Heritage Bank. Now, in order to log into your account, just click on the login button at the top right corner alongside the search box. Once you do this, you will be redirected into the login portal. Now, all you need to do is type in your credentials, so go ahead and type in your membership number followed by your password. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your Heritage Bank account online. In case you forgot your username or your password, you will find the help button at the top right corner of the login page. You can click on this and you will be able to see the process of resetting your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Heritage Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.